the market fundamentals are unchanged. The kind of panic selling that's going on now is completely manipulated by FIIs to take the Indian market down. If you compare our market moves with global markets, it's completely incomprehensive and unpragmatic. Yet, FIIs kept on selling completely unaffected by the reasoning of valuation of our market, our corporate earnings and future earnings. All the stocks and indices, including sectoral indices, are trading in a highly oversold zone. Technically and fundamentally, nothing substantiates this kind of selling. As an investor and traders, what are the things we need to keep in mind to sustain this massacre? Number 1. FIIs have been net sellers for the past 3 years. It's nothing new. The magnanimity of selling has spiked since last month, triggering an outcry in the overall market. The Nifty has already been corrected by 10% plus, and most stocks are down by 30% to 40%. The valuations have become too attractive, and it's just a matter of time before FIIs get their senses back and stop selling at these unreasonable valuations. So, the end of FII selling is near. Number 2. DIIs have been supporting the market since the FII started bulk selling. They have infused more than 1 lakh crore. With an ever-increasing SIP from the domestic front, this DII inflow will only improve in the coming days. Once FII selling is exhausted, as the DII flow continues, we will see a Nifty touching the 27,700 level by December 2024 and 31,000 by May to June next year. Number 3. Companies that were operating a month before have not stopped working just because FIIs have started selling in the market. The same companies in which people were ready to invest their money at a certain valuation are now getting a 30% discount. So, without any fundamental changes, suddenly, these companies have become extremely attractive. It's like getting a Mercedes at the price of a Maruti. Would you miss it? So, this kind of opportunity comes once in a lifetime for an investor's life. We got one in COVID and know the kind of wealth creation that happened in the subsequent years. 7,500 to 18,500 in just 1.5 years, a similar movement we would see in Nifty, 23800 to 50,000 by 2026. Sitting in 2026 and looking at today's number, you would feel, how foolish of you not to have invested at that time. Would you remorse or pat your back to take the decision to invest when others were panicked and lead a life of financial independence? Your action in this opportunistic time will decide your future. Follow Q7 Trading Solution for more such information.